Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Peely Bone from Fortnite OG. So let's go right up there to the top. Just do the top of his banana head. It's going to do a little angled line, just like that on there, okay? That's the top of his head. Then what I'm going to do is maybe work all the way down to the bottom of the banana area, so maybe there. What I'll do is I'm going to do a line from the top to the bottom, make it a little bit curved and waved, so kind of curves around like that, it goes in and down to the bottom. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to this top bit again. Let's put another little line in there, just to show the top of the banana, and then cap it off. So we've got a good little rectangle going on at the top. Then I'm going to go all the way down again to, let's just draw a little line there, to this point here. I'm going to come out, do the body, go into the head and up. All right, so let's try that. Let's go from the top, and we're going to work out where the head is, like there, then come out where his body is, and then down to that area there, like that. All right, that's the half of the banana side there. Let's pop an eye in so we know where we are. So I'm going to do a circle just about there, and another little circle in there just for the light. Let's just colour that in. We've got his eye. Very good, okay. Then we do a little smile here, a little peely smile going on here, just in the middle of that area there. Cool, there's a little piece of peely just at the top here, so I'm going to do just where the top of the eye is, maybe on that line, just go up, down like that, and then do it again. Just go a bit higher up here, go up, then down, and just match those up. Maybe we'll just colour in the bottom of there just to show that it kind of flicks over. So just a bit of a thicker line under there. Does a good job with that. Okay, next up, let's do the other part of his head here. So there's a skeleton part of him. So he's got the skull. So I'm going to just do the skull around here. So I'm going to do like curve out and around, down where the teeth are there, like that. And then there's like a little jaw bit. So I'll just do a little kind of like bit of bone there. Pop in another circle here, like that, show his like eye socket, and then just colour that in black as well. Cool, okay. Top part of this area here, it's got like little kind of rib bits which go into the head. So I'm just going to do like an oblong, 1, 2, make them smaller as you do them, 3, 4, like that. Cool, okay. Next up, let's pop an arm in here, so his banana arm here. I'm going to do him holding his hip. So I'm just going to do a line out to an elbow there. Another little line out there. Sort of taper it in a bit so there's a bit of an angle. Then we're going to come back to where his hand will be here. So just another line here, like that. And another line, let's put a little point there and just join that up there. Cool, okay. And then I'm just going to do a little curve around that'll show his fingers, like that, around like that. Pop another little sort of curve in here just to show his thumb. Great, all right. Next up, let's do his ribs. And they probably go to about here. There's a little bone bit in the middle. So I'm just gonna do a little curve up about that. And then let's do a few bits of his ribs. So where his jaw is there, just gonna do one that comes out kind of like there, one like that. Let's do a smaller one now. 2, and then just curve around. 3, 4, and then just go into the bottom there, just to show the ribs there. All right, nice. Then he's got his like stomach and intestines here. So there's a little sort of triangular bit like that to draw, okay? Then just draw it in again. Just make a line, so you've got 2 little lines the same there. Then he's got his intestines, so I'm just going to do some wavy lines in there to show that. It's like little wavy lines all in there. Cool, okay. Next up, let's do his arms. So let's do a bone arm coming off from about here. So I'm just going to do a line up and make it come out, curve round, show a bone, and down, curve it at the end there, like that. Gonna do another one coming down here. So same sort of thing, maybe a bit smaller. Just show that little bit of the arm there. Nice. And then for a bony hand, let's just do a curve out like that and another curve out like that. Okay. Right, next up, let's do his banana leg. So starting from around here, I'm just going to do a line down like that, bit of a curve. Same thing again, start up here, I'm going to taper down to around there, so just curve like that. Let's pop a little knee on. There we are, little kneecap, so knobbly knee. And then we're going to do the lower part, like the shin area and the calf. So I'm just going to do curve down like that, and then just match it up. Again, taper up to that knee point. For his foot, I'm just going to go out and around. So out like that, around, taper out and up where the heel is. That's his leg area. Then the bone bit. So a bit like the arms up here. Just do 2 little bits like that. And then 2 lines. Just go to where the knee is like that. Okay. And then same thing again with the shin. So 2 little bits down. Straight line down like that, curve out, and then it's got like a 3-pronged toe, so just going to go out, 1, 2, 3. All right, just going to draw a little bit of like curve area behind him like that. Cool, that looks good. All right, let's get colouring with that. So let's get a nice yellow. Let's do the banana area of Peely first of all. So just going to colour in. Start his foot and just colour in all nice and yellow. That nice zingy yellow popping colour. All up here. Just fill in the gaps. Way up to that point there. There, okay, a little peely bit, colour him in, and the arm, thumb, so just colour around into that, nice, okay, let's just get a little bit of a darker yellow, just do around the edge of him, just to show maybe a bit of shadow, same thing here, just do some little shadowy bits like that. And we can do the same thing here. And on his legs as well. Cool, okay. With his bones, I'm just going to get a bit of grey. Just do a little bit of sort of shadowy highlight with that. So just go around the edges, if you like. Around there. Just to show it's a bit 3D. Alright. Same thing, just where the legs are there, and the foot. There we are, just gives that a bit of a pop. Just thinking there, we just need a little bit of yellow just around here. Cool. And then just get a brown colour, and we'll just colour in this top area here. And then he's got a bit of bruising going on, so I'm just going to put a few little sort of bruised little areas of him going on, sort of maybe sort of cross hatch there, maybe it's a little bit up here. Just pop it in where you like. Maybe let's do a little bit of the elbow there. Excellent, all right. Next up, get a sort of pink or purple, and we're just going to do that intestine sort of colour. So just fill that in there. It's all around that area there. And it's a cool kind of accent colour, so I'm just going to pop a little bit on the ground behind him as well, just to ground him a little bit. Nice, okay. And then let's get the black again, and we can just put his name in. So, Peely Bone. That's Peely Bone, or an art draw. Thanks for watching.